If you want to learn how to edit 3D text in Photopea without breaking the effect, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you two easy methods. First, how to change the wording, font, or color of your 3D text. And second, how to fine-tune the 3D effect itself by adjusting the extrusion, angle, and shading. This is a really useful skill if you're designing thumbnails, social media graphics, banners, or any project where you want your text to stand out with depth and style. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Photopea tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, let's look at the easiest way to edit your 3D text. Because the 3D effect in Photopea is applied as a dynamic layer style, you can actually change the text itself without ruining the depth. So to begin, select the type tool from the left toolbar. You can also use the shortcut key T if you want to work faster. Once the type tool is active, click directly on the 3D text on your canvas. As soon as you click on the text, Photopea will let you edit it just like normal text. Now simply type in your new wording. Maybe you want to change a title, correct a word, or update the text for a new design. You can also switch the font if you want a different style, and you can adjust the font size from the top options bar. This is helpful if your new text needs to fit better inside the design, or if you want it to look more bold, sleek, playful, or professional. The nice part is that the 3D effect updates automatically as you make these changes, so you do not have to rebuild the effect from scratch. You can also change the color of the text itself if needed. Depending on your design, a new color can completely change the look and feel of the final graphic. For example, brighter colors can make the text pop, while darker tones can make the 3D effect feel more dramatic. So if you are editing text for a thumbnail or a poster, take a moment to experiment with the font and color until it matches the style you want. Now let's move on to the second method, which is where you edit the actual 3D effects settings. This is the part you use when you want to change how deep the 3D sides are, adjust the angle of the block, or alter the shadow and lighting color. To do that, look at your layers panel. If you do not see it, you can press F7 to bring it up. In the layers panel, find your text layer. Underneath it, you may see a small arrow that expands the applied styles if they are hidden. Click that arrow to reveal the layer effects. Once the styles are visible, look for the word 3D underneath the layer. Double-click directly on 3D and Photopea will reopen the layer style menu with the 3D controls active. This is where you can start customizing the depth and appearance of your text in a more advanced way. If you want the 3D block to face a different direction, adjust the angle setting. Changing the angle can make the text look like it is being lit from another side, which is great for matching the rest of your composition. If you want more or less depth, adjust the distance setting. Increasing the distance makes the 3D sides longer and more dramatic, while decreasing it gives you a shorter, cleaner look. And if you want to change the tint of the sides, shadows, or lighting, use the color option. This can help your text blend better with your background or create a stronger visual contrast. Once you are happy with the changes, click OK to apply the settings. At that point, your 3D text will update with the new depth, direction, and color choices you selected. If the result looks a little off, don't worry. You can always go back and double-click the 3D effect again to make more edits until it looks perfect. That flexibility is what makes Photopea so useful for fast editing. So, just to quickly recap, if you want to edit the wording, font, or color, use the type tool and click directly on the 3D text. If you want to edit the 3D effect itself, go to the layers panel, expand the styles, double-click 3D, and then adjust the angle, distance, and color in the layer style menu. With these two methods, you can fully customize your 3D text and make it fit any design project. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips and design tutorials. And if you want, I can also show you how to create 3D text from scratch in Photopea in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.